So now we're going to discuss another loop which is known as for loop. So what we're going to discuss is we're going to write here a program that will display first 10 natural numbers. So we're going to use for loop. For that we will use the for reserved keyword, and then we are going to create a variable x. You can create any variable of your choice, but we are using x. Then we are going to use this reserved keyword in, and then we are going to use this inbuilt function range, and we are going to provide it some value 10, and then proceeding with the block of statements inside this for loop, we will print the value of x. So you can see here that inside this for loop, this is a statement print x, which will print the value of x. This is a range function which will give you a list of 10 numbers. So whenever so x will display all these numbers using this for loop, right? So for x in this range 10, we are going to display this x. So after running that, you will be able to see that it has displayed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So this is how you can use a for loop. So let's display a display characters in a string. So what I'm just going to do here is I'm creating a variable x in, and now instead of providing this range function, I'm going to provide it a string which is think x academy, like this. So now I'm going to value of x here. So what this for loop is going to do here is it will display all the characters. It will just move from the first character, which is, and then it will start displaying it till the end, which is y. So after running this program, you are more likely to see an output like this, think x academy, right? So this for loop can be used to iterate a string or a range of numbers.